Hey, in today's episode I would like to show you a test of Atorch DL24, which provides artificial current load. First of all, I would like to apologize for most of the video being recorded vertically. I will remember to record horizontally, so with each next video it should be better. I will use the tester for both lithium iron phosphate and gel batteries. This model has a maximum battery load capacity of 25 amps. I switched settings until I came across the amps option and select the maximum value, which is 25 amps. So first, we'll test the lithium iron phosphate cells. After connecting the tester to the power supply, various parameters are shown on the screen. I set the discharge cutoff voltage to 2.4 volts because this approach will allow me to reliably squeeze everything out of the cell. Finally, I click Next and press the Start button. I will leave the test running and only show you part of it at accelerated speed. As you can see, The test was quite poor, because we have far too few ampere hours and watt hours compared to the manufacturer's declaration. Now take a look at the two other battery cells that I tested using the Atorch DL24 and the professional EBC A40L tester, which allows for the 40 amps discharge. Generally, the smaller the discharge current, the greater the battery capacity we obtain. However, as you can see, I managed to get the opposite results, which makes me think that the Atorch DL24 is not entirely suitable for this type of application. To confirm my thesis, let's test the gel battery. According to the 1C rule, I will discharge my 7 amp hour gel battery with a current of 7 amps, so the test should last an hour. Please take a look at the accelerated recording of entire test. Small spoiler, the test will not last an hour, but less than 30 minutes. After finishing the measurement, I run it again to squeeze out as much as possible. As you can see, the final result is definitely too low. I got less than half of the battery capacity. To summarize, this device is not suitable for measuring the capacity of both gel and lithium iron phosphate batteries.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment, hit the like button and subscribe. On the right side you will find more of my videos.